We have left our Eldorado nest in Victoria and we have started making our way to Mount Gambier in South Australia. We stopped into Harcourt. It was midway. It's an amazing spot for free camping and it has an awesome trail network, so it would have been rude not to. Meeting some legends here for a quick sesh. Yeah, so keen to catch up with the boys.
Some caveman approach.
Nice. Yes. Finally, we're in South Australia. Finally made it to Mount Gambier. I've managed to do a fair bit of exploring, but I haven't managed to do any riding yet just because of this little one. Yeah, super keen. So far, this town is one of the most unusual and bizarre towns I've ever been to. The town's got like sinkholes all around it, volcanic craters and cave gardens. It's totally unique, and the trails are anything like the town. They should be totally different from anything I've ever ridden before. Yeah, super keen. Just need to get up there now. So keen to check this place out. We are staying at the Pines Caravan Park in Mount Gambier. Yeah, it's one of the nicest caravan parks I've ever stayed in. It's pretty good. The only problem is I couldn't really find a bit of a cycle path to get to the trail. So once again, I'm riding along the road, which I hate doing. Oh man, I'm puffing already. Well, this city is crazy. It's so bizarre and weird, but also very cool. And check this out. The Blue Lake. It's just one of the amazing sights in Mount Gambier. These are all caused from volcanic activities. And the reason this is so blue is because of all the limestone. And I never knew this, but yeah, limestone's actually formed by animal remains from like 15 to 40 million years ago. All that limestone over there, it's all little corpses. Yeah, very crazy. Let's find some mountain bike trails. This place is scattered with amazing lookouts. It's like every corner you turn, there's another sick lookout. It's pretty amazing. The landscape is like nothing else I've seen. The trails here seem to surround the Valley Lake. We need to get to the other side of the lake to hit the fun descending trails. Saddle Trail seems like the easiest option. It's a green, multi-purpose trail that traverses Valley Lake. G'day. Oh, yep. And it's steep. You definitely don't want to roll off the edge. I don't think there'd be any coming back if you did. She's a bit of a maze. I think that there might be the bottom of Nurse's Curses. Yeah, I don't know, eh? I don't know, where is everyone? Where's the Groms? All right, Nurse's Curses. All right, what do we got? Oh, nice berms. Yes. Yeah. Oh, sick. Oh, there's another track off to the side. Yeah, loose there. Whoa. Yes, dude. Oh, let's just keep it going. Fuck it. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Yes, sketch. Woo. Oi! Oh mate, that was sick. This is so lush. Oh my god, this is sick. That was a brutal push. Most of the time I'm still a walker. So on my trail forks it says there's more trails over there. As you can see, the bushfires have caused a fair bit of devastation and they're unrideable at the moment. I'm more gutted for the critters and the animals that are living in there than my selfish bike needs. And lucky for us, there's still some trails over here that we can check out. Where are we going? Marist? Marist is down here. Yeah, it looks pretty well used. I think this one's called Snake. I think we'll give the underdog a shot first and we'll go down Snake. So down Snake, up Grass Hills, and then we'll have a crack on Marist. Come on, Snake. Oi! Oh, she's overgrown. Oh, yes! Oh, jump! Whoa! Oh, yeah! So sick. Oh, yes! So loose. Oh my God. Yes! Yeah! Oh yeah, I didn't have the speed. Oh man, those jumps look hard to clear. Oh, so sick. Oi! Yeah! Man, there are trails everywhere. Oh, so good though. I'd say this is the way back up. How you going?
You good?
Let's go. All right, thanks mate. It is a labyrinth of trails down there. Didn't look like many people were riding Snake. So like some of those jumps, I know I'm a little bitch, but I don't think I could clear them. There wasn't really a lip on them, but this line here, Marist. This Marist line looked a little more well used, so I'll give that a crack. I'm scared now because the jumps are actually a lot bigger than I expected. I really want to follow someone, eh? Be kind to me. Yes. Oh yes, so sandy. Oh my God, it is so sick though. Yes, yes. Oh, so rad. Yes. Oh, come on, step up. Yeah. Woo. Yes. Oh, she was kicky. Wait, I don't have the speed. Oh, we're going to. Oh, yes. What do we got? I can't see. Oh, yeah. Oh, I squished that one. Yes. Woo! Oh, yes. That was mad. Oh, that was so sick. That was one of the funnest jump lines I've ever done. As soon as I hit that first jump, it just filled me full of confidence and I just had fun. Like I was still scared, but that's the trick. Have fun, ride good. Be scared, be dead sailor. Oh mate, that was unreal. Yes. First trail we went down was not Snake. I was so far off. Snake's like over there somewhere. So we might go check that out now. All right, so this is Snake. I don't know what that other thing was that I was on. Oh damn, yeah. Oh, sick. Yes. So good. Those berms are rad. Oh, big ruts. Yeah. And we're back on my wrist. There's just tracks everywhere. Oh mate, that is gnarly. How you going, bro?
Good, thanks.
What was your names?
Jai.
Cooper.
Riley.
What is it?
Jock.
Oh, Jack. All right. Yeah. Sick. Oh, nice. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Whoa. I'll follow you two boys then. It shouldn't be too dusty. Oh, it's dusty. Whoa. Oh, it's way too dusty. Yes. Yeah. It was way too dusty, eh? I kept thinking about that mad root that was sticking out. I'm like, oh my God, I can't even see it. Sick. Whoa, nice. Do you want to tow us into the road gap?
Like, show you what speed?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Oh, alright.
Whoa! That was a big case. Oh no. Yeah. Spewing. Still scary. Well, that was sick. Thanks for that, bro.
See ya.
I'll catch you later.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. The guy's just doing my head in.
Will you be able to pick me up from the town?
Oh, Rudy's asleep.
I'll start riding home.
Okay.
I'm
Bye.
about 20 k's from home, but I'll be right. If you're still here, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Totally free for you to hit that button. Thanks heaps for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one in Adelaide, hopefully.